Hi everyone, in this video we will see how to use artificial intelligence with superpower, and this approach can be used with opencode or cloud code or whatever agent. And the issue is this. Let's say that I want to generate a PDF, but I don't have the tools to do it. So let's generate a PDF with pandoc in Arch Linux. So maybe you have a prompt like this, and it can't install the dependency because pandoc isn't available in the system. So the artificial intelligence stop here normally. But if you have artificial intelligence with superpowers, you can do the same thing, but actually the artificial intelligence can install packages and dependencies as user. So let's generate a PDF with pandoc in Nix. And as you can see, the folder here, it's the same error. But here we can use the Nix package manager, which allow to use to install dependencies as a normal user, which it isn't possible on Arch Linux. And this instance of here is pandoc, and this instance of opencode, it also have just the ability to read inside the folder /data, so it can't mess up with your config and your data in your home. While if you use opencode normally, it has access to everything on your system or your home. So you can have isolation and easy dependency installation with opencode inside a sandbox. If you want to try the image, the project is this one, Docker-Nix user. So you have a Docker container with nixos and a normal Nix user. So it doesn't run as root, but it can install dependencies. If you want to build the image by yourself, you need Nix and Docker. But to use this, you just need Docker. So you can use this command. With this one-line command, you can run and mount your data directory. This is the container, and this is the directory where opencode has the working dir. So all the changes will be made in this directory if you don't specify other parts of the sandbox system. So let's see if it is finished. Not yet, because the image do not have all the dependencies. But when you install these dependencies and you do not close the instance, they won't be downloaded again. So the process is a bit long because pandoc has a lot of dependencies on nixos. Let's try another way just to test. So undo with ban and JS PDF. Okay, same approach. This is the folder that I have here. Ban is already installed in the image, so it's faster to run. this is ban adding a dependency. Okay, the two package is installed. And then we should see here the PDF when it is generated. Okay, this is the JavaScript code to run via ban. Here it is importing the library. Okay, we have it. PDF generated successfully. And let's see this. This is the test PDF made in ban with the dependency. So we were able to install dependencies via artificial intelligence as normal user. And so, which are the advantages of Docker-Nix user approach? It uses Docker as isolation, so the AI agents can't read on your home directory. It uses nixos instead of Arch Linux or other Linux distros, so you don't rely on Aura, which is the community edition of the software, and you also don't need root or sudo to install dependency with artificial intelligence. And you can use search.nixos to see all the dependencies supported by nixos operating system. I hope you found this video useful. If it was so, leave a like and subscribe. Bye.